Before you begin, please make sure you have the following items. During the installation process, remove the dome cover from the camera base using the included wrench. Be careful when handling the camera lens to avoid smudging the camera. Remove the moisture absorbers from their vacuum-sealed packets, then place them inside the camera, in the base below the camera lenses. Attach a grommet to the end of the Ethernet cable. Connect the cone-shaped installation tool to the head of the cable, then pass the cable through the grommet. Remove the installation tool, then connect the Ethernet cable into the camera's Ethernet port. Insert and set the grommet to the bottom of the camera's base to complete the seal. Note: if the camera is not powered by a PoE switch or a PoE injector, use a power adapter to power the camera. A ferrite core is included in the dual sensor camera to reduce high-frequency noise from affecting the camera video. To attach the ferrite core, open the closing clip and make a small loop in the Ethernet cable. Place the ferrite core around the loop, then close the clip around the loop to keep it in place. Use the mounting template to mark and drill the necessary pilot holes in the mounting surface. Hold the camera against the mounting surface and use the included screws and drywall anchors to install the camera base. If you are mounting the camera to a pole or corner, it is recommended to use a compatible mounting bracket with the camera. Manually adjust and tilt the angle of the two lenses on the camera. Carefully place the dome back on the camera, being careful not to alter the monitoring direction of the lenses, and affix the cover in place using the included star wrench and screws. Remove the protective film from the dome. Gently wipe the dome with the lens tissue or microfiber cloth to remove any dust or smudges left from the installation process. Avoid the use of cleaning agents when cleaning the dome, such as window cleaner or ammonia-based chemicals. The use of clean water or ethyl alcohol is otherwise okay. In addition to physically mounting the camera, configuring the camera's IP address and applying an administrator password is necessary to complete the setup process. For easier setup, we recommend you using the DW IP Finder application software to manage your camera. The remainder of this QSG will teach you how to use it. To install DW IP Finder, go to our website digital-watchdog.com and search for DW IP Finder. Navigate to the DW IP Finder product page and scroll down to the Downloads section. DW IP Finder is available for Windows and Linux computers only. Click the download button for the version that matches your computer's OS, and use the installation wizard to install the program. Open DW IP Finder and select the network card that's connected to the camera network. Click Scan Devices to allow the program to find your camera. Once your device has been detected, you'll need to set a custom password. If you are setting up multiple cameras, you can configure the login to them simultaneously. To do this, click the checkbox to select a camera, then click the Bulk Password Assign button. In the Current Account section, enter the current login credentials for the camera. The default login for new cameras is admin. For the new password fields, enter your desired password and re-enter it again in the confirmation box. If needed, you can create a password hint. Click the Change button to apply your changes. To configure settings within the camera itself, you can use a web browser and enter the camera's IP address to connect to the camera's web interface. Otherwise, you can access your camera's settings using DW IP Finder. After discovering the camera, click on the button that appears in the Settings column, then click the Website button. Your default web browser will open and automatically begin to connect with the camera. Log in with your camera's credentials to access an expanded list of settings within the camera and to view live camera video using the Web Viewer feature. This completes the installation of your new security camera. Thank you for choosing Digital Watchdog as your security solution.